In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag Kit.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a simple automation that reacts to a tag saw and applies the tag you want to a user, all within a clear, repeatable workflow. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Kit dashboard. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that so you land on the main workspace. From here, look for Automate. This section is where Kit centralizes all of your automated workflows, so it's the perfect place to build something once and let it run for you in the background. Inside Automate, open the Rules area. Rules are the building blocks of automation in Kit. Each rule listens for a trigger and then performs an action. It's a clean cause and effect setup. If you're ever unsure where something lives, the rules view is your hub for creating new logic and keeping an eye on what you've already made. Create a new rule to get started. This opens the rule builder where you'll define both the trigger and the action. For the trigger, choose tag added. That tells Kit to watch for the moment a tag is applied. Triggers like this are great because they're precise. You're not running a schedule or scanning your entire database. You're reacting the instant a specific label gets attached. Next, select a user. This is where you define who the rule applies to. If you're testing, pick a safe test user or a sample record you can change without impacting real data. If you're working in production, carefully choose the user you intend to affect so you're confident about the rule's scope. Clear naming and keeping a short note in your own documentation will save you time later. Now set the action by choosing tag user. This tells Kit what to do once the trigger fires. You'll typically choose the exact tag you want applied. Use consistent naming. Short, descriptive tags are easiest to filter and report on. If you maintain a tagging convention, stick to it here so downstream automations remain tidy and predictable. Before you move on, review the rule from top to bottom. The trigger is tag added, the correct user is selected, and the action is tag user with the right tag chosen. A quick sanity check now prevents confusion later. When you're satisfied, you're ready to rely on this workflow. Whenever the defined tag is added, Kit will apply the tag to the user you specified, hands-free. That's it. You've set up a straightforward tagging automation in Kit.com. Thanks for watching and happy automating.